In this video, I'll show you how to clear Facebook cache on your phone. Clearing the cache can help fix problems like the app running slowly, not loading properly, or crashing. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Apps or Apps Management option and tap on it. You will now see a list of apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and tap on Facebook to open its app settings. Once you are on the Facebook app information page, look for the Storage option and tap on it. Here you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files stored by the app. This will not delete your account or personal data, it will only remove temporary files that may be causing issues. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen and open the Facebook app again. The app should now run more smoothly and load properly. You can repeat this process anytime if the app starts slowing down or having loading problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.